Okay, so I bought this replacement grill cover for my Traeger, and today we're gonna open it up and see if it fits. It's a lot cheaper than the Traeger branded cover. This is a Century 22, similar to the Little Tex 22 that was sold years ago that had the straight up and down legs. The one difference is that it has this little warming drawer down below that I essentially never use. Be careful using a razor blade cutting in a box like this, because I won't actually cut into the actual cover. There's really nothing on the box that says what this will fit. It's not a picture of a Traeger or anything like that. So, okay, so just quickly I unfolded it, and it looks like it's got a spot for the chimney in the right place. Looks like it's set up for the pellet hopper on the left hand side. So I'm going to open it up, try and slip it over, and then I'll show you how it fits. All right, so there it is. It's that fit is actually pretty good. Couple features: it's got this reflective striping on the sides, which is nice because hopefully some light will hit that and you'll be able to see it at night. Like for my dog, if it's running around at night, it won't run into this. And then there's actually some little grommets in it down below on either side, so if you wanted to like run a bungee under here to hold it down if you live somewhere where it's windy. So I'm gonna say it's a good fit. It feels pretty durable. The actual material is feels like it's kind of got a coating to it, so it should be pretty water repellent. We'll see. It should rain this week, and I'll maybe come out and get some footage. All right, so we got a kind of steady light rain right now, and the new cover is holding up. Definitely keeping the Traeger dry, so that's a good thing. This is definitely what we wanted, so again, I think money well spent. All right, it's starting to come down harder. I'm gonna go back in the house. If this helps you, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.